Right, what I've done is I've emptied the shed. I'm waiting for the wife to come because I haven't got a screwdriver kit up here. I thought I did, but I'll take the doors off and hopefully that'll make it light enough that we can lift it back up. Well, trials and tribulations, eh? While we wait for the wife to arrive with some tools and that and help me put the shed back together, the garlic bed. All the garlic seems to have shown up. I'm really happy with that. All the rows have come up actually, including these two here, which are very late starting, but they've come up nonetheless. So the whole garlic bed has actually shown. I'm really happy about that. So, from one disaster to not another. It was quite cool. So hopefully I'll be able to get this up when the wife shows. Like I say, once I take the doors off, should be light enough to lift. I hope. I hope. Right, wife turned up. We quickly took the doors off, put it back up, put the doors back on. Now we're just going to put all the junk back in there. The reason why I didn't film any of that, we're doing it as quickly as possible, because it's going to rain. Right, there we go. Still really windy. What I've done to try and help it is put a lot of the heavier stuff down the bottom, and I've put some concrete slabs in the corners and some bricks along the back. And I've also raised it further off the ground by putting, I know that might sound weird, but I've raised it off the ground with a block there and a block over there. The thing being is when the wind comes, it can blow underneath it now, and hopefully that will help it. And what I will do in the future is I'll add some more weight to the bottom, because it is a windy site, unfortunately. Yeah, hopefully that'll stop it from going over again. If not, I don't know. There's other people have lost their sheds as well. But I didn't know ours was down, and I hadn't been up in ages. Anyway, time to close and time to go home. See you next time.